Look at this channel's views. 8 billion, 7 billion, 4 billion. Yeah, that's billions with a B. Altogether, this channel has crossed 200 billion total views. That is not a typo. That is literally more than Mr. Beast's views, times 2. And here's the crazy part. Almost nobody is talking about how this is even possible. It's not quality content in the traditional sense. It's a digital babysitter that prints money while you sleep. The cheat code is simple. iPad kids don't have an off button. They will watch the same 30-second loop 50 times in a row until their parents take the tablet away. The algorithm sees that 600% retention rate and absolutely loses its mind, pushing your video to every corner of the planet. The platform doesn't care if your artistic vision is deep. It cares about watch time. This isn't a creative hobby. It's a distribution strategy. In the old days, trying to do this was a certified nightmare. You'd need an animation degree, a team of 5, and a Disney-sized budget just to make a character blink. Most people quit because they realize manual animation is a one-way ticket to burnout. That's the creativity trap, spending 3 weeks on a video that needs to be made in 3 hours. This is where we stop playing fair and start using the tools others are scared of. I just turned the animation barrier into a speed bump. You don't need a studio or a team of freelancers. You just need a brain and a workflow. I've refined the process down to a science: character, motion, and voice, all synced up in minutes. I'm handing you the exact 3-step blueprint to build your own view printing factory. Let's get into it. Step 1. Creating the character and the first scene. The first thing you will work on is the character itself. This is where the process becomes really interesting. Inside Design, you can start building your own character from scratch. And the best part is that you can save this character and reuse it later. This means you are not just creating a one-time image, but a consistent character that you can use again and again for future videos. You are free to experiment here and explore different styles until you find something that feels right. Design gives you several ways to create your character. You can use the quick mode by simply describing your character in words, or you can upload a few reference images so Design can learn the look and personality of your character. If you want the easiest starting point, you can also use the character presets that are already available. These presets are great for testing ideas and understanding how the system works before creating something fully custom. Once your character is ready and saved, the next step is to create an image or a scene using that character. For example, in my case, I placed my character inside a playground. To do this, you simply select your saved character, then describe the action in the scene you want. You can decide what the character is doing, where the character is, and the overall mood of the scene. After that, select the aspect ratio that fits your platform, and once everything looks good, click Generate. When the image is finished, take your time to review the result. Look at the character's face, the expression, and how well it fits the scene. If you are not fully satisfied, you can adjust the description and generate again until the image feels right. This image will be the visual foundation for the next steps, so it is important to make sure you are happy with it before moving forward. Step 2. Turning the image into a video. In this step, you will transform the image you created earlier into a moving video. This is where your character starts to feel alive. Inside Design, you simply take the image you already generated and place it into the first frame of the video. This tells the AI exactly where the animation should begin. If you want more control over the final result, you can go even further. You have the option to add an end frame to guide how the video finishes, and you can also upload additional reference images to help the AI understand the motion, mood, or style you are aiming for. These extra references are not mandatory, but they can significantly improve the quality if you want more precise results. Next, you describe what your character is doing in the video. Be clear and intentional here. In my example, I describe my character waving at the camera while walking forward. This simple action already creates a friendly and engaging moment that works well for kids' content. Feel free to experiment as much as you want in this part. The more specific your description is, the better the AI can translate your idea into motion. After that, you will choose the AI video model you want to use. Design provides multiple video models, each with its own strengths in terms of motion, smoothness, and visual style. Take a moment to explore these options and pick the one that fits your vision. You can also select the duration of the video, depending on how long you want the animation to play. Once everything looks ready, click Generate and let Design process the video. When the result is finished, review the video carefully. Look at the movement, the timing, and how natural the animation feels. If something does not match your expectation, you can adjust the description or settings and generate again. Make sure you are satisfied with the video before moving on to the final step. Step 3. Adding lip sync and voice. In this final step, you will give your character a voice and bring the video to life. From the video result you generated earlier, simply click the lip sync option on the right side of the screen. Design will then guide you into the lip sync setup. Next, you will be asked to select the face inside the video or image. If your video only contains one character, Design will automatically detect the face for you so you can move forward instantly. If there are multiple characters in the frame, you can manually select which face should receive the lip sync. Once the correct face is selected, click Next. You will now see a timeline where your video is already placed and ready. At this stage, you choose the voice for your character. Design provides several built-in voice tones that you can use right away. Alternatively, you can upload your own audio file. To save time in this video, I am using an audio clip that I prepared beforehand. If you want to create your own voice, you can easily do it using tools like 11 Labs or any other AI voice generator. The process is very simple and beginner-friendly. After the audio is uploaded, you can fine-tune the result by adjusting the length of the video to match the audio. You can also choose the output quality depending on your needs. Once everything looks good and feels natural, click Generate and let design handle the rest. In just a few moments, you will have a complete kids cartoon-style video with smooth lip sync.
Welcome to Reach Mora YouTube channel. Subscribe so you don't miss the free candy.
Single character lip sync is already impressive, so I also tried a more advanced use case.
What if we build a rocket out of cardboard?
Only if it can go to the moon and back before dinner.
Ready to be used for content, storytelling, or even educational videos. What makes this entire workflow powerful is how seamless it feels. You create the image, turn it into a video, and add lip sync, all inside one platform. You see the results immediately at every step. There is no exporting, no switching tools, and no broken creative flow. Everything stays connected from start to finish. Yeah, at the end of this process, you have a complete kids cartoon video. This is why AI is opening the door for creators who want to enter kids cartoon content today. It removes the biggest barriers and turns a massive opportunity into something realistic and achievable. I will be sharing more AI workflows and creative strategies. If this breakdown helped you understand how this works, make sure to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss the next one.